Well, guys, thank you so much. It's your guy Lakwed Ben. Today we are in Arua. Now Radio Patch is here. They have just hosted us, and guess what? The players came, they spoke, callers were all over, and then there are others who are calling from Gulu. And then the most beautiful thing that I like is that people who are here, some of them are even expecting Acholi team to win, and that is so beautiful. We saw our manager, we saw our players like Jemba and OT9 Okelo Tito. They talked well, plus other opponents players who also spoke very well. Trust me, we are going to win this game just like we said it. We are building on the story and it will come to pass.